Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm out in the shop working on the Ford Super Duty. I've got a leak in the transmission cooler line. That it comes from the transmission cooler, clamps onto a rubber hose, goes along the bottom of the radiator, and then screws in with the fitting into the radiator. I just have to make sure that fitting comes out without any problems. So here we go, let's get to it. Okay, this is what we're looking like up under the truck. This is the one that's leaking. They get rusted here pretty bad. This one needs replaced as well. I just don't have the part today, so I'm not doing it. I may order the part. That one goes a lot further back, and it doesn't just clamp on its pressure hose. There we go. Now it's moving. I got a little drip pan to put under there. I have a feeling we're going to lose a little fluid. There it goes. Okay, I'm going to let that stop. Let that continue until it's done dripping. I don't know if that's going to help any. I'm probably going to destroy that getting it off anyhow. It really doesn't matter. I thought it'd just be easier if it spun on the line like it's supposed to. Okay, on this fitting here, I didn't have line wrenches to fit it. I tried. A 9/16 was too tight, wouldn't go on even after I knocked the rust off. And a 5/8 was too loose, so it must be metric. So I used vice grips to loosen it, and it should come off no problem now. Hey, it's spinning on the line. How about that? One thing I should mention is that prior to doing this, for the last couple of days, I sprayed that down with WD-40 in hopes it would come out a little bit better, not freeze up in there. Okay, I'm going to get out from under here and clean up all this nastiness and then put the new line on. Alright, there's the old and the new. The part number for the Dorman off-brand is 624276. Okay, the other side is still draining and draining over there, so I'm going to start on this side. See what I can get done. Okay, that's still dripping and draining, and it may be dripping and draining all day long, so I'm going to get back to it, maybe just get the fitting in there on the new line. That'll slow down that drip. Hey, I think we got it started. Leave it to me. I gotta be careful. I can cross thread anything. Now it started for sure. Not even cross-threaded. How about that? Okay, I found this fitting to be an 18 millimeter. It was bigger than the old one. The old one definitely wasn't an 18 millimeter. That should be it. Okay, that about wraps up that project. I just have to top off the transmission fluid. It was a pretty simple fix, didn't run into any major hang-ups. The one thing I wanted to show is how much fluid I lost during the process. It wasn't too much. Some of it ended up on the floor, but I caught the majority of it. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to reuse it. There might have been a few little rust pieces and everything in there, but I just wanted to show how much would come out of there. And I wonder if my wife knows I used her painting cup to catch the transmission fluid. I won't tell her if you won't. So take care. See you next time. Hope this helps someone. And have a good day. Thanks for watching.